So this crew's been at it for a few minutes now. They really struggled getting this thing centered on the trailer to start off with. And now, like so many others at Boynton, they can't get it off the ramp. Oh, just another day at Boynton, where Boynton's boat ramp is doing Boynton things. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, from the Drain Plug Mafia channel, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the boat ramp, and as we already mentioned, today we are visiting Boynton Beach. So the backstory on this, these guys literally spent probably 15 minutes trying to get this vessel perfectly centered on the trailer. And as we've mentioned numerous times before, when I see somebody playing with it that hard, typically that tells me that it's probably not weighted right on the trailer. And as we're finding out, these guys, they can't get it off. They've been trying for several minutes now to get this truck off the ramp, and it's just not working. So are we going to try and move it on the trailer again? I mean, it looks pretty centered, it's just I don't think it's far enough forward. But this ramp's notorious right here, guys. We've watched axles break off here. We've watched rims come off of trailers on this ramp. If you hit the wrong spot on this ramp, there's like a big pothole that you can get caught in. And they could be in that. So we're definitely making an adjustment of some kind. Are they taking it off the trailer? Did they give up? I think this ramp's defeated them. They're pulling it off the trailer, and I'm assuming we're going to try pulling up from another ramp. Interesting choice. And as we mentioned, after a few minutes of doing the Boynton boat ramp shuffle, we've moved over to another ramp, and our guy's backing down again, and we're going to try this one more time. But yeah, they gave up on that first ramp, and that first ramp's a tough one. I mean, if you guys have watched the channel enough, some of the stuff we've seen over the last 12 months on that first ramp is absolutely crazy. If I was launching here, that would be the one ramp, no matter what, I would avoid at all costs. And then the next one's the one that the guy in the blue boat's on here, because basically, that ramp's supposed to be closed as well, and it's got similar issues. But our guy's going to back the trailer down, and we're going to try loading this one more time. Let's see if this pays off, actually switching the ramps. So we've got the boat on the trailer, and we're going to see how he fares here. I feel like that trailer was not dropped deep enough, and that might be why he's struggling, actually, because over on the other side, it was a similar situation. And that could be why he's struggling on getting enough weight far enough forward in the trailer to get out of here. And they are stuck again. So the switch of the ramp didn't help. Our guy is stuck on the ramp still. So he's going to back down a little bit. I mean, he needs to back this thing way down, give himself a good running start, get some of the weight off the trailer. I really think he can get it out. He's just not giving himself enough of a run at it. And no, he tried to give her a little hell there, see if he could get it done, but that wasn't going to work either. Those tires are just spinning, man. He's definitely on a better ramp this time. But I think, like I said, I don't think he backed the trailer deep enough, and so that's probably the struggle. They're just not getting the boat quite far enough forward on the trailer. And it's just giving him a fit. Oh, man. But these guys are probably, I mean, they're going to be at this for a few minutes. So we're going to go ahead and probably speed through this. So after multiple attempts of trying to get this thing out, we've had to pull out the big gun, and we're gonna do the reverse cowboy pullout with a truck, with a trailer and a boat on the back. But I mean, they threw everything at this. I mean, we had 4 people jumping on the back of the bumper at one point in time, but they've been down here now for probably a minimum of 45 minutes, I would say. They've been trying to get this thing out. But here we go. Let's see if the pullout's going to be the way to go. And one last little hump to get over. And our crew probably should have some success here. But it's always interesting to see them do this when these guys will pull out. When you pull somebody like this, you should pull them in reverse, from what I understand anyway. You can let me know in the comments below if I'm wrong, but it's always interesting to see somebody do that with another trailer and a boat in the back, because that just adds to the difficulty of it. But man, I mean, maybe it helps them get a little more weight on the rear tires as well for the pullout, but good job here, guys, and finally our crew should be on their way. And speaking of getting on their way, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Drainplug Mafia, where we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.